All right, y'all, so look. I'm about to unrag right now. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the fresh cut. I wolfed for about 2 months. I don't wolf long no more, you know what I'm saying? So I wolfed about 2 months. I'm about to unrag right now. When we wolf for a purpose, man. Always make sure you wolf with a purpose. Don't wolf to say, oh, my wolf was 12 weeks, 18 weeks, and you didn't see no progress. Wolf with the purpose. Make sure when you're wolfing that you want to progress, okay? Don't just wolf for anything. Don't wolf for nothing, okay? Wolf for something, all right? You wolf for better progress. We wolf to break forks, and we definitely wolf and don't cut your hair too short. This right here is a 2. It's a 2 right here. I got a cut yesterday. It's a 2. 2 guard. Let me get it lower because my cameraman's short. So let me get it low so you make sure you just get all angles. We do not wolf for nothing, bro. You wolf for something. And when you cut your hair, do not cut your hair too short. Make sure when you cut your hair, you cut it a 2 or higher, okay? Some people can get 1.5s, but only get that 1.5 if your hair is fully trained, which means that you're elite waver. You're a trained waver. You feel me? You've been waving for a while. You're a veteran waver. You know what I'm saying? When you beginning, do not get short haircuts, all right? And that's coming from me. Y'all call me the GOAT. I didn't make that name up. Y'all did.